Okay, I'm making a quick video. This is a 1997 Mazda 626 with a 2.0 liter engine, automatic transmission, and I'm going to show how to change the fuel filter. I looked all over, couldn't find a video for it, and it kind of kicked my butt for a few minutes, so I'm hopefully going to give somebody just the tip they need. The first thing you want to do is there's three bolts. This is the cruise control, and it's got a bolt here and a bolt here. I'm sorry, a nut here and a nut here and another one down here. See if you can put a light on it, you can see it. That one right there. Okay, take those three off, and then you can lift the cruise control out of the way. Okay, the nuts are all removed. They're all 10 millimeter, by the way. And so then you just take this unit and just kind of move it over here out of your way. And there is your fuel filter. I've just changed this one. I left a nut out on the bottom that I didn't need to take out. So I've got to take it back off. And I figured, well, I'll make this video while I'm doing that. To get the fuel filter out, though, there's a nut here and a nut over here. You take those out and that'll loosen it up. Okay, I've got the nuts off. Just to show you, a previous owner had replaced this before, and you see on the inlet side it's got this angle. Whoops, sorry, it's got this angle inlet tube right here. This is actually a filter for a manual shift transmission. Apparently there's something that the fuel line has to come in a different direction. This will work fine. It's just this isn't one that's made for the car. So then when you get those nuts out, you can pick this up. The fuel filter is actually attached to this bracket by way of a large hose clamp. You can see right here. But you can take the filter off. Also, you can see that this had the clip type hose clamps, and they replaced it with a regular hose clamp. So you can take this off. It has a little more flexibility. It's got another one on the bottom, and it's just to remove and replace. And then to go back, you just reverse the process. But the big key is to get the power steering unit, I'm sorry, not the power steering, the cruise control unit out of the way. And then it makes it a whole lot easier. I watched a video and it talked about taking the wheel off and going through that way. That's for my Mazda Miata. It is not for a 626. Hope this helps. Y'all have a great day.